Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix Facebook notifications if not working. If your Facebook notifications are not working, it's usually due to app settings, device restrictions, or notification permissions being turned off. This can cause you to miss messages, comments, or updates. By checking both app and phone settings, you can restore notifications. To begin, check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi Fi or mobile data connection. Open the Facebook app. Launch the Facebook app. Go to notification settings in the app by tapping the menu Settings and Privacy, Settings, and Notifications. Enable notifications. Make sure notifications are turned on for activities you want. Check push notification settings. Ensure push notifications are enabled inside the app. Check phone notification settings via Settings, Notifications, Facebook. Allow notifications. Turn on Allow notifications for Facebook. Enable background app refresh. Allow Facebook to run in the background. Turn off Do Not Disturb or Focus mode. Make sure these modes are not blocking alerts. Update the app. Install the latest version from the App Store. Clear app cache via Settings, Apps, All Apps, Facebook, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Log out and log back in to refresh your account session. Restart your phone. Fix temporary system issues. Reinstall the app if needed. Uninstall and reinstall Facebook to reset settings.
And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.